Hello, I'm Darren from Miro AI Studio. Want to turn ideas into interactive prototypes in just minutes? Let's walk through how to build a prototype in Miro using Miro Prototypes. First, open a new Miro board and select Prototype. Write your prompt. For example, create a complete onboarding experience that includes multiple screens, guiding users through the registration process. The design should feel welcoming, motivating, and easy to navigate. Miro uses your prompt to generate a clickable prototype in just a few minutes. It's fast, simple, and doesn't require any design skills. You've got a visual starting point the whole team can work with right away. And if you want to keep customizing, just use the drag-and-drop prototyping library to add buttons, sliders, and more. But it doesn't stop there. Miro AI can help you refine your prototype with simple prompts. You can generate layout variations, rearrange elements, adjust the flow, or localize copy right on the board. After each change, you can easily toggle between versions to compare layouts or revert if needed, or copy-paste to compare side by side. You can also generate prototypes based on content already on your board. Select your sticky notes, click Miro AI, then Prototype. Choose mobile as your format and multi-screen flow. Now describe what you want. For example, create a mobile sign-up flow for a fitness app using these notes as context. Miro AI uses your board content to generate a prototype tailored to your ideas. Now let's look at another powerful feature, Screenshot to Prototype. You can upload a screenshot of an app, website, or even a hand-drawn sketch, and Miro will convert it into an editable prototype. To do this, drop your image onto the canvas, click on it, and ask Miro AI to convert image to prototype. Select desktop, for example, as your device format, and in a few minutes, you'll have an editable prototype ready to customize. Start prototyping in Miro today. Click the link below to try it out for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe for more Miro prototyping tutorials and tips.